Tourists miss this neighborhood, and that's exactly why you shouldn't. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly what I consider to be one of the best neighborhoods in Da Nang. Stick around and let me show you. So guys, I'm sure some of you guys recognize the area that I'm at. This is one of our favorite restaurants called Pho Long Hoi, but we call it George Costanza. And I think you guys know exactly why I call it this. The logo looks just like George Costanza from Seinfeld. This place is actually in my e-travel guide. If you guys are coming out here to Da Nang, this is a great place to check out in my e-guide. And if you guys haven't bought my e-guide or checked it out, you should check it out on my website. But this place offers great food. There's only about 5 or 6 selections on the menu. So guys, here you go. This is the menu. And if you guys notice, everything is extremely cheap. 35,000. I think the highest item is something like 50,000. Here is my go-to item right here. Goidon, I think that's how you pronounce it. And it comes with sliced beef, a fried egg, and rice. So there is all kinds of other options, stir-fried noodles, everything like this. But everybody I've ever taken here, they all absolutely love it. And like I said, we call this place George Costanza, and I highly recommend it. So check this place out. I think they open up at 6 o'clock in the morning and they close at 11 o'clock. Come on. So like I said, guys, this is gonna be one of your guys' best neighborhoods in this area. We're right off the beach, talking 10 minutes, right? You can easily get here by foot. If you took a Grab, it would probably take you 3 minutes. So either way that you're coming here to this neighborhood. Now, the only downside to it, it does get a little busy, it does get a little noisy, and there isn't as much accommodation, meaning rentals, hotels, not in this neighborhood. They're mostly restaurants, they're mostly stalls. So you probably won't find an accommodation here. There is a few rentals and a few apartments, but they're very few and far in between. And this is my favorite spot for Bonet. I have 2, but this is my number 1A and 1B. Xin chào. There's my buddy right there. He's a very nice guy. He's always out here cranking up my Bonet and the eggs. So he's a very nice guy. He works here with his, I believe it's his wife, and it looks like he's getting some stuff going today. So come on. And this is the name of the restaurant right here. I will pop it up in the description because I do like to promote the businesses. I do like to promote the businesses that I really enjoy. So this is the place. It is on Food Street, AKA Chow Ti Vinte. And let's keep going. I got a bunch of other spots to show you guys here. So this has kind of became a cult banh mi spot. This place right here, Grandma Vuong's Banh Mi. And this place opened not too long ago. We did a live stream and the lady was very nice. I believe it was the same lady that runs the place that owns this place. So I don't know if we'll poke our head in here, but we're gonna just, oh, look at this guy. What's up, doggy? We have not been here. They gave us some free samples when we opened up earlier. Let's just pop in here. Xin chào. They do have different things. I think we tried one of these milks and they tried all this other stuff. We remember the doggy. Xin chào, I'm just looking. I came in here a while ago. My girlfriend was in here and you gave us some of the free samples and the meat. We're trying to get down here. She just got back from the Philippines. So we're gonna come back down here during the day. She's still sleeping. So I'm just doing a YouTube video of all the good spots that I like here on Chow Ti Vinte. And I wanted to show this place. Okay, and you close at what time?
8 p.m.
8 p.m. Okay, perfect.
Thank you.
And this is my favorite guy right here. What's up, doggy? What's his name?
Aki.
Ki.
Aki.
Aki. There's Aki. So very nice. And your name?
Nana.
Nana. Very nice. Thank you very much. So check this place out right here. It is a good banh mi. And we talked to people that have actually ate here, and they say it's different. They said they love this spot for breakfast. It's a different style banh mi, and it's not as heavy as a lot of other banh mi's. So any of you planning a trip to Da Nang in the next 60 days? Well, don't hesitate to book a 30-minute video consultation with me to settle in smoothly. During this call, I'll provide personalized advice and answer any of the questions you have about traveling or living in Da Nang. So don't hesitate, the link is in the description below. Now, we have never tried this place, but we constantly walk by this place almost a few times a week, and this place is always packed. So surprisingly, it's pretty filled for breakfast time, especially 6:30, but this place ends up filling up all these tables, and then they pull out some more here. So this is definitely a local favorite because there's just tons of people here starting at about 5 o'clock at night, and that place goes on for a long time. I think it closes at least at 11 or 12. You guys usually will watch us on our live streams, and we'll usually hang out here at the full market, or we will hang out over here at the Akono. So Akono is very nice too. Both of these places have the tables outside and these chairs, so it's a really sit outside type of culture, Vietnam. You can come out here, sit on these tables. Some people will come in here and buy a drink, buy a Coke or buy a juice, buy a Trot Talk from this lady, buy a bag of chips or something. You'll see some locals always out here. So we're just about to cross this street. This is called Du Ba and Chao Chi Vinte, which is the street we're still on. And we will make our way to one of my favorite spots. It looks like they're open, and I really love this place. So this is my favorite juice spot in this neighborhood, possibly in all of Da Nang. This place is called Cafe Fa Lin, which is right here. This is the name. You guys can easily find that on Google Maps. This is the address, but I will pop that up in the descriptions. We've been coming to here for well over a year. Everything is freshly made. I think they're just setting up the tables. They're sweeping. I think the chairs just came out, but they make all their juices fresh here. And what I like about it is they wash out all their equipment after every juice is made. And they have every single juice and vegetable that you guys can probably imagine. Pineapple juice, 20,000, watermelon juice, 20,000. Most of their juices are under 20,000 or right around that price, which is 80 cents. So we come to that place at least once a week, sometimes twice a week. And in the past, we went there sometimes multiple times a week, depending on what area we're in and how thirsty for juice we are. So check that place out for sure. They have great owners, great prices, and great juices. Now, if you guys stick around to the end of the video, I'm gonna show you guys an alternate juice spot. Now, it is a little bit down the road off this block, but the prices are very affordable, and you guys will be blown away at how cheap some of the juices that they have down there, juices and teas. Now, this place is called Torino. It is an Italian style bakery. I believe the owner is from Italy, and we walk by this place all the time. This place usually has more tourist clients, but I'm gonna show you guys. Every time we come in here, it smells really good. Ciao. And they have really good stuff. Look at this. It almost looks too good to eat, right, guys? They have all kinds of things. They have mousse. They have mini tarts. Look at these cream puffs. Ooh, carrot cake. They got all this stuff. So this is another little hidden gem. I kind of think people that have stayed here for a while know about this spot. But if you guys are coming here to Da Nang for the first time, these little small places are great gems that you guys probably wouldn't find if you're just walking around or looking at Google reviews. So check this place out too. It's called Torino. And like I said, look at this. How could you say no to these sweets right here? I know if I stay in here any longer, I'm not gonna be able to say no. So we gotta get out of this place, or else I'll go back home and Fluffy will say, why do you have so many desserts? Where'd you get those? So let's go down the street a little bit more. We're only about halfway down the block right now, so we still have a bunch of other spots to go to. Like I said, if you just walk down this street, probably for 6 months in a row, you probably wouldn't even go to every single store, restaurant, shop, cool little hangout spot, cafe on this nice little walk. So I know you guys always ask me what street. This is a cross street of An Thuong 13, but the main street that we're still on is called Chao Chi Vinte. This place we kind of check out. We used to go here a lot more, but the hours are kind of on and off, and it looks like they're technically open, but I don't see any lights on in here. No, and this is one of the employees, and they don't have any food here. But luckily, they do have this menu, and this is exactly what I get. Com tam, it's basically pork chop, fried egg, rice. This is called, I think it's like called an egg cake. They'll give you a little garnish. Like, I thought this was noodles or something one time, or intestines, I think Fluffy told me. But it was really pork skin or pork floss. And this is 25,000, so this is $1. $1. And if you guys look, almost everything else on the menu is about $1.50 or less. I don't know what time they open. I don't see anything. It looks like they have Grab now, which is good. I don't think they had Grab before, but their food is not out yet. And I don't smell it because usually they have a barbecue over here, and usually it's grilling and chilling over there. So that's another spot I recommend. And there is possibly 2 more spots. I think one might be closed. So ciao. But the other one is a non-Vietnamese spot, and it's right here. This place, I don't think we ever came to this place for almost a full year that we were here before we actually even kind of found this place. It is called Da Ran and Chicken. This is the sign right here. And it is really good. It is Korean fried chicken. The prices are, they're definitely a little bit higher than the local food, but the food, they give you very, very big portions right here, and it is very good. I get the garlic boneless chicken wings. They do give you the option of bone in or bone out, but I always get the boneless. They're so much easier, and I think you actually get a little bigger portion. But here's a few items on the menu. I don't think they show my exact. That's kind of the thing about Vietnam. They will show you some Google stock pictures, but I will tell you this. At this place, the stock pictures are not as good as actually the food that they bring you. So check out this place if you guys ever want some crispy fried chicken. And they do serve good fries too. So this is a cool little spot as well. Guys, I can't stress this point enough. Make sure if you come to Da Nang, go down that street that we call Food Street, or the local neighborhood on Chao Ti Vinh Tay. I'm telling you, you guys have not really stayed in Da Nang until you at least have went down there. And I'm telling you guys, it's a huge difference. Not only culturally wise, it's much more local. Price wise, it's much more affordable. The food is different. And like I said, there's no excuse because it's only maybe 10 minutes from the beach. So I'm telling you, try that street out, and then I guarantee you when we run into each other on the street somewhere, you're gonna say, hey man, I watched your video, and that neighborhood that you told me about, thumbs up, man, I love it. Because everybody that I see out here, they love that neighborhood, and I always recommend that neighborhood. So make sure not to miss that place. So let's cross our fingers and hope that this place is open. It is, oh, it is open. Now, open? Is this open? This is my spot. So I'm not sure if this place is open or not. It looks like they're opening the doors, but it looks like they're going in the back here. This is the name of the place. 8 o'clock?
Yeah.
Okay, so they're telling me every day it's 8?
Every day.
Okay, because I've seen Google says 7.
All day.
All day, okay. 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Come on, thank you very much. So this place opens up at 8 o'clock. This is the name of it. I don't know, maybe I'll go hang out at Moon Milk real quick. And I really want to show you guys this place because like I said, this place has awesome drinks, awesome prices, and it's very local. Like when I show you guys some of these prices, look at my Trot Talk right there. And it comes in a huge glass. I think even for you egg coffee lovers, look at that, 25,000. Salt coffee, 25,000. You're not gonna find better deals on the egg coffee. The juices are huge, and I think they're like 12,000 to 16,000. So it does look like we are back, and they are open. So I came back a little bit after 8 o'clock, guys. And this is my little juice spot. Crazy. This place you guys just seen wasn't open. And even though Google said it was open at 7 a.m., they weren't open. But now it looks like they've been hustling and bustling the whole day, even though they probably just opened a few minutes ago. So I already know I'm gonna try this. So can I get the Trotok, this one?
Yep.
Large?
Yes.
12,000.
Yes.
That's it.
Yes.
Thank you. The nice guy in the back, it looks like he's making my Trotok. It's a different type of Trotok, but let's see how it tastes. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. I really love that neighborhood that I just showed you guys. If you guys get a chance to come out here to Da Nang, I'm telling you, you have to try out Chow Ti Vin Tay, AKA Food Street. There is too many choices on there for you to miss that street. Once again, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe button. Once again, happy travels.